got a yummy box of treats from Universal Yums. What foreign country do you think this box is from this time? I'm Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. Welcome back to my channel. I would like to thank Universal Yums for sponsoring today's video. Excited because I've got a box here of Universal Yums, and we are going to see what country all of these snacks are from. Now, for those of you that aren't familiar with Universal Yums, each month, this is like a snacking subscription box. If you are a snack person and you love snacks, then you are going to love Universal Yums. What's so great about this is each month you are going to get a different box of goodies sent to you from a different foreign country. I think the last one that I had was from Taiwan, and there were some really, really delicious yummy treats in here. Now, these subscription boxes start at $15. There's a link in my description box below where you can definitely check them out and maybe take advantage of ordering some of these. I think this could be a really, really fun holiday gift for somebody. Give them like a year or 6 months or 3 months of Universal Yums. That could be so delicious. All right, you guys, I took the mailing label off. That's why you see these little pieces here at the top. And then I did cut the tape, but we don't know what else is in here. So let's open this up and get started. Now, each box is always going to come with a couple different things right away when you open it up. First of all, there's always a fun activity, and this is going to tell you where your snacks are from. And mine looks like it's from Germany. So there's always like some fun, just kind of trivia and games and different things that come with it. And then there is a booklet here, and this booklet is going to describe all of the snacks. However, I'm not going to look at this because I want this to be a like a live taste test. By the way, too, I'm still kind of congested. Things are breaking up. I have a ginger ale here just in case I need it. So look at the snacks. There are layers and layers of snacks in here. And then also, they always send you some fun stickers or something. And these are the stickers that come with it. So again, this box, the theme is from Germany. Perfect for Oktoberfest. And let's just kind of jump right into it. So the first item is the Snoofles. And the flavor is Schinken and Kass. Please let me know in the comments below if you know how to say this. And like we've done with the other ones, we're going to do a little smell. Those actually smell really good. And then we're going to do a taste test. These are good. I don't know what that is or what that is, but it's tasty. So I will save these for later. I could eat all of that right now. This is probably what I'm going to eat when I sit in front of the TV. Let's grab a sip of this, which did not come in the bag or in the box. So, gosh, there's a lot of stuff in here, actually. All right. So this one is called Zwiebels. And Zwiebels, yeah. They kind of look like Funyuns, right? They look like just kind of like onion ring things. So let's see. They don't really have a smell. Interesting. They don't really have a taste either. Okay, kind of hits you. Kind of like a green onion kind of a thing. Definitely oniony afterwards, an aftertaste of onion. So got some salty. And then look at this, you guys. There's still a significant amount of goodies in here. So I'm going to try and go quickly. This next one is called Palms. And I know that that's fries, I believe is what that means. And these are ketchup flavor. I don't know about that. So we're going to see what these are all about. Good size snack. Ketchup-y kind of a taste, more like a honestly kind of more like a barbecue almost, but they're good. Let's see, we've got, I try to get like the savories and the sweets and kind of all in order, and it looks like everything else is oh, I don't know what those are. Otis is down below, by the way. He says hi. And I'm not sitting on the floor because there's going to be snacks, and I know how he is. This was inside the box, so I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a game. Okay. It's called I don't know. And it looks like this is like a game board, which is kind of cute. That's what's really fun about these boxes, is because you're going to get little activity books, you're going to get stickers, you're going to get, games and stuff. And then these are the pieces for the game. You can kind of see them there. And then there are some instructions, which are in English, by the way. So that's cool, because then there's a little kind of coffee table game or something to keep. And, when friends come over, then you can talk about this cool box that you got everything in. Let's see, what else? Okay, it looks like everything else is going to be sweets, which I am not hating at all. So this is called a Yum bag, and it looks like it says good things come in small packages. Good things come in small packages, this package specifically. As we search the world for the very best yums, we sometimes stumble upon smaller treats that are big on flavor but small in size. So we gathered them and put them. Okay, so this is just what Universal Yums does. And they've curated this kind of little goodie bag of just some smaller size treats. So that's kind of cool. And then inside of here, it feels like there's like 4 or 5 pieces. Let's see. I'm not going to try all these because it looks like they're all different things. Yeah, so there's a good assortment of stuff. So you've got something called Mir and Hong. I have no idea how to say that. And then, so there's like 4 of those. And then there's, looks like 4 of these little things, which are, I think that's probably like grape. It feels like almost like a Starburst. I'm going to open one up and just kind of see if it kind of looks like a Starburst. And, it kind of looks like a Starburst that somebody took a bite out of. So let's see. We'll try. Interesting. Definitely kind of a Starbursty consistency. A little waxy. More waxy than like a Starburst. Almost like those little Coke bottle, things that people have. And then this one, we will give this one a try. This is, it says milk and honey. Let's see if I can get this open. I'm not going to take all this because if it looks like it's caramel or something. Oh, that's good. That is like a bit of honey, that candy that I love, but a much softer consistency. That's good. I'm gonna eat that. That one's real good. So I feel like I've seen this brand before. This Portia, it's a forest fruit milk chocolate. I think that's what that says anyway. And we are going to open this one up as well and see what this is all about. This is pretty consistent looking chocolate. It's probably like a fruit chocolate or something. It's got little squares. I'm just going to take one of these. Oh, it's good. It's actually really good. Kind of like a chocolate covered cherry, but obviously berries. Really, really good. Okay, that was good. I'm trying to get up and take a little sip here. Just kind of cleanse the palate. I'm loving this. This one, sorry, I wanted to open it before. I'm so excited. This is a marzipan. It's kind of hard to see that. But it's marzipan, and it's like a chocolate marzipan. So. Oh, it's red coconut. Oh, I don't know. It's not horrible. It's not overly sweet. Not sweet at all, actually. It's tasty, though. It's tasty. I'm not hating anything so far. And then these are called waffles. Looks like just those kind of waffle cookies. These are lemon, which would be yummy with some tea. Now I have to figure out what snack I want tonight because they've sent me so many options. Let's see. That's good. That one kind of like caught up to me after. Very, very lemony. Slight sweetness. I think that would be amazing with tea. Really, really amazing with tea. All right. Two more things. We've got the Halloran Nugalun. No idea. And then some cookies. These are called mini ox eye cookies. I think I want to try this one first. Ox eye cookies. Oh, they're cherry. They'll be good. I'm sure they'll be good. So far, Germany. I'm loving Germany. Germany's kind of a good thing. This is kind of nice, actually. It's got a tray in here of kind of your chocolates, which are great. And they're just like little, almost like little bonbons. Oh. It's not bad. It's very, very sweet. It is a traditional chocolate cream filled stracciatella covered in dark chocolate. It's not bad. These would probably be good to eat like when you're craving something sweet and you just need something to like knock it out, because those are very, very rich. Wow. That is like, I feel like my teeth are falling out from that one. And this is the last one. These are the mini ox eye cookie. They are fruity, delicious with a sweet cherry filling. So these will probably be good. What's so great about these too is that I can take these and just kind of pop these into Ziploc bags, and then I have all kinds of fun treats. I think this would also be really fun to get, not only for gift idea, but like with holiday parties and stuff. How fun would it be to kind of have a themed holiday party and maybe get a couple of these boxes from different countries and things, and then just have kind of some fun different treats for people to try. So this is one of the ox eye cookies. So this is kind of like an amaretto cookie. These are good. Oh my gosh. I wonder if I can get these on Amazon. Like the cookies. My God. Okay. I need a moment here. Yeah, that's really good. In fact, I'm gonna have another one. It's that good. Yum. Oh my God, so good. Ooh, these are so good. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy with this box. There are so many great treats in here. And like, there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to count the kind of individual little treats as 9. 9 treats in here, plus a game, plus some stickers, plus the kind of trivia and some other little games. Perfect for kids. And then this, which really kind of talks about more about Germany, like QR codes where you can listen to some German music. That's fun. You can learn German. Oh my gosh, there's all kinds of fun things that you can do. Look at that. That's so cool. There's trivia. And then it kind of goes into what's in your box, and it kind of gives you the history. Those Swizzle bells, they're like little onion rings. The kind of bonbons, the ketchup potato sticks, the lemon wafer bar, the milk and honey caramels. So cool. So cool. And then the game that was in there as well. Instructions and kind of some history on that. Oh, and then look, there's even recipes in here. How fun is this? So if you guys want to check out Universal Yums for yourself, there's a link in my description box below. You'll save a little bit of money. I'm going to put everything on the screen here. And why not give it a try? Ooh, why not give it a try? All right, you guys, I'm going to go, I think I'm going to go have some more cookies, honestly, and go sit on the couch and edit this video. All right, guys, take care, and I will chat with you soon. All right, bye-bye.